And hello guys, we're gonna play Darrells because my friend loves Darrells, so I'm gonna try is true. So let's go. I'm gonna be Krampus. Oh no. Let me switch my classes. I'm gonna be werewolf. I'm gonna be werewolf because I don't know how to defeat the game. So, on the army tree, still one player in right side mode to make it faster. We're gonna wait. Wait, bye bye. Okay, guys, let's go play some levels. Loading. Still loading. It's gonna be too long. Wait. Okay, guys, let's go. It glitch. Okay, let's go. Let's get this. What? Okay. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna buy 2 calls. Bro. Okay, I'm gonna buy this one. I buy it. Oops. Wait, what? Oh, here. Let's go. Bakit? Awit ang galit? Fix it. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Wait, there's a newspaper. Okay. When you get this newspaper, the last newspaper. So I'm gonna go to my train. I'm gonna put right there. Just can't do what I'm gonna do. Because I'm Kian. Let's go make it to the town. Because let's go skip all the houses. Unicorn! Unicorn desert. Okay, let's go find some unicorn. Please be a unicorn over here. Who's that? Unicorn! Unicorn! Let's go get it. Let's go get it. Let's go. We need to turn around and then go to the train. We need to go fast. Okay. I'm gonna fire. Okay, there. Okay, let's go. Keep going, unicorn. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Let's go. So I need to kill. Sorry, run. There's more unicorn. That's a unicorn. That's not a unicorn. ay nadas sa unicorn. Okay. Oh, there's a unicorn. There's not a unicorn. Yeah! Let's go. Okay, let's go. I killed a unicorn. Yay! Okay, yay, brother. Ooh, it's night now. We need to go to the town. Don't look at me. Okay, to the first town. Yippee! And have weapon. And have weapon. Okay, stop. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Don't look at me. I don't know what I'm doing. Sabi mo okay lang. Ha? Sinip ko, sabi mo pwede lang. Holy water. Let's go. Yeah! Ano ba mo? Ay! Let's go here. This is my technique, guys. Corner it! Then throw it. I'm so scared. Oh my god. We need to wait. Wait, guys. Oh no, guys. He doesn't. Okay, guys. I'm disconnected. Oh my god. I'm so sorry, guys. I can't. So that's why I cannot play Dead Reps. Because my friend is so sad. Because he's only one. So today, guys, no more Dead Reps. Because I always disconnected. Goodbye, guys. And don't forget, like to subscribe to Blake. I mean Kiam Blake channel. Kay Mama po. Bye.